When you are angry, a great deal of energy is used up and wasted. Please use your energy very wisely for studies. With this, we'll start 10th question from exercise 2.5 from triangle chapter, which says a guy wire attached to a vertical pole. A guy wire attached to vertical pole of height 18 meters is 24 meter long and has a stake attached to the other end. How far from the base of the pole? Should the stake be driven? So that the wire will be taut. Here few words are there. Try to understand. Guy wire. It is nothing but a cable wire. Which is this cable wire is called guy wire because it provides stability to any freestanding structure. Here pole is the freestanding structure. It is attached, this guy wire is attached to that pole so that it provides stability to that pole. Okay. So this guy wire at one side attached to pole and other side it is attached to stake. Stake is nothing but any metal post. Okay. And how far this post should be driven from the base of the pole so that this guy wire become very taut. Taut means stretched very straightly without unevenness. No unevenness. Just straight like a line, straight line. Okay, that's right. That's what it's called. Taut. Taut means stretched very tightly. Now what we have to find is pole is given. Pole. Length of the pole. Length of pole here is AB. How many meters? 18 meters. And length of guy wire is also given. Here a guy wire attached to vertical pole. This vertical pole of height 18 meters is, that means a guy wire attached to vertical pole is 24 meters long. Therefore, guy wire length. Here guy wire length is AC. AC is equals to 24 meters. What we have to find is how far this stake should be driven from the base of the pole so that it becomes taut. That means stretched very tightly. We have to find BC. BC is equals to how much? Now you see here, ground becomes line BC, pole, vertical pole, and vertical pole and ground is always 90 degree. And this guy wire is forming hypotenuse. Thus we have got ABC, a right angle triangle. Okay. Since ABC is a right angle triangle, you can apply Pythagoras theorem. So that very easily you will get the value of BC. Because you know the value of AC, you know the value of AB. And very easily you will get value of BC. Now we will apply in triangle. What kind of triangle? ABC is right angle triangle. After applying Pythagoras theorem, apply Pythagoras theorem. After applying Pythagoras theorem, because ABC is right angle triangle, AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. Square of the hypotenuse is equals to sum of the squares of other two sides. What you have to find is BC. You have to find, send this AB other side. That means AC square is equals to AB square minus AB square is equals to BC square, which can also be written as BC square is equals to AC square minus AB square. What is the value of AC? AC value is 24, but AC square is the 24 square. AB value 18, so 18 square. Okay. Now BC square is equals to 24 square is nothing but 576 minus 18 square is 3 24. BC square equals to 576 minus 24. 6 minus 4 is 2. 7 minus 2 is 5. 5 minus 3 is 2. BC square is equals to 250. 252. Okay. So BC is equals to square, transfer other side becomes square root 252. Okay. We'll find the factors for 252 so that whether it is possible, any square number is available or not, we'll check. Very easily it is the even number, so we'll divide by 2. 2 once, 2 times and 2 6 times. Again this even number, 2 6 and 3. 3 1 3 2 times and once and 7 3 times. This means prime factorization of 252 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7, that is equals to 252. In place of 252 you can write this. What is 2 into 2? 2 into 2 is 4. What is 3 into 3? 3 into 3 is 9 into 7. This is nothing but 252. Okay. So BC is equals to 4 into 9 into 7. Okay. BC is equals to, what is the square root of square? This 4 and 9 are the square numbers. What is square root of 4? Square root of 4 is 2. What is square root of 3? Sorry, square root of 9. Square root of 9 is 3, and there is no square root for this 7, so it remains as it is inside. Now BC is equals to 2 into 3 is 6 root 7 meter. What is BC? BC is nothing but the distance of this particular stake from the base of the pole so that the guy wire is stretched, is very taut. Okay, so what is BC? BC is 6 root 7 meter. Understand? In a very easy way, by applying Pythagoras theorem for this right angle triangle, we have got BC is equals to 6 root 7. What is the question asked? How far from the base of the pole should the stake be driven so that the wire will be taut? How far should be taken? 6 root 7 meter. 6 root 7 meter. This particular stake should be driven so that the wire will be taut. Understand, children? So we'll see you in the next video, the 11th problem. Okay? Bye bye.